Hi, my name is Manu. Welcome back to TELW, the English Workshop. In this third video on basic English, we are going to learn nationality, and we'll also look at a few numbers. We looked at numbers 1 to 10 in the last video. Today, we'll look at 11 to 20. Nationality. I'm Indian. I'm from India, so I'm Indian. Indian is nationality. It's my nationality. You are from Japan. Your nationality is Japanese. He is from Libya. His nationality is Libyan. She's from Korea. Her nationality is Korean. What's the question? What nationality are you? What nationality are you? You don't say, what's your nationality? So repeat after me. What nationality are you? What nationality are you? Note the pronunciation nationality. Nationality. Right. What nationality are you? I'm Indian. What nationality is Narendra Modi? He is Indian. What nationality is Joe Biden? He is American. What nationality was Muammar Gaddafi? He was Libyan. What nationality is Queen Elizabeth? She is British. She is from Britain, so she is British. Joe Biden is from America, so he is American. Russia, Russian. Korea, Korean. Japan, Japanese. We have a list of countries and nationalities in the description below. Please click on that and see the country and nationality on our website. Now, let's listen to a conversation between two people. In fact, three people.
Are you from India, Manu?
Yes, I am. And you?
I'm also from India. This is my friend Nabila. She's from Libya.
Hi, Nabila.
Hello, Manu.
Now, how do you say no? Are you a Chinese? No, I'm not. I'm Korean. Are you a Pakistani? No, I'm not. I'm Indian. Are you an American? No, I'm not. I'm British. Are you an American? No, I'm not. I'm British. So, are you an Indian? An Indian? No, I'm not. I'm. Oh, actually, I am Indian. So, are you a Pakistani? No, I'm not. I'm Indian. I'm Indian. So, practice this with your friends. Okay. Now, let's look at numbers. 10 more numbers. 11, 12, 13. Notice that. 13 in long. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. These are the 10 numbers. Practice these numbers every day till you get it. In the next video, we'll look at some confusing numbers. And we'll also see how to tell emails and addresses. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Practice. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.